हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, मैं हूँ भट्ट मैम। इसके पहले लेक्चर में हमने टूल्स देखे थे, ठीक है। अब हाँ, और स्क्रू ड्राइवर्स के देखे थे। सबसे पहला टाइप हमने देखा था स्टैंडर्ड और फ्लैट स्क्रू ड्राइवर। नेक्स्ट हम देखते हैं फिलिप्स स्क्रू ड्राइवर। ये है हमारा फिलिप्स स्क्रू ड्राइवर। इट हैज़ अ क्रॉस टिप दैट रिसेंबल्स विद द मैथमेटिकल पॉजिटिव साइन. It is used to the screws with cross slotted heads, ठीक है। Next is stubby screwdriver. Next is stubby screwdriver. ये है हमारा stubby screwdriver. It is available in either standard or Phillips screwdriver with short shank or blade with a short handle. It is used to drive the screws in case of space congestion or in a tight space where a tight screwdriver cannot be used. Next is Allen screwdriver. ठीक है, ये हमारा हो गया Allen screwdriver. It has a shape of a screwdriver or wrench. It performs the function to tighten or loose the screw with hexagonal head slot. The tool is used in that it fits in a receptacle to turn it rather than round or a screw or bolt like a regular wrench. It has an advantage of small size and lightweight. Next है line tester. It is used to check both AC and DC voltage and current and to test the phase live or positive wire current. ठीक है, it is used to check basic circuit characteristics like continuity, short and open circuit polarity. यह है हमारा लाइन टेस्टर। आपने घर पे देखा ही होगा कि आपके घर पे भी लाइन टेस्टर होगा, ठीक है। यहाँ पे क्या है, मेटालिक स्प्रिंग कनेक्टर है, नियॉन बल्ब है, रेजिस्टर है और मेटालिक है। मतलब क्या है कि जब भी आप ये लाइन टेस्टर कनेक्ट करते हो लाइव वायर से तो ये बल्ब जो है वो ऑन होता है। मतलब वो क्या इंडिकेट करता है कि उसमें से करंट फ्लो हो रहा है, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट इज टेस्ट लैम्प। ये हमारा टेस्ट लैम्प होगा, ठीक है। टेस्ट लैम्प इज इम्पोर्टेंट इलेक्ट्रिकल टेस्टिंग इक्विपमेंट्स. It is used to determine the presence of electricity in a piece of equipment under test. The test lamp is often used to check the presence of voltage on conductor. Properly designed test lamp help to prevent user from accidental electric shock. If there is an open circuit in circuit, lamp will not glow. It glows dim if there is a short circuit, whereas it glows bright in case of continuity of circuit. If you are trying to diagnose and troubleshoot an electrical problem, sometimes test lamp can be used to rule out possible causes much more quickly than the digital multimeter. Advantages क्या है इसके? Simple, least costly, it is quick and versatile. Next है crimping tool. ये हमारा रहेगा crimping tool, ठीक है। It is a tool designed to connect a connector at the end of the cable and the standard of the wires are placed in the metallic terminal. The terminal is squeezed around the strands to ensure that the wire is securely held by the terminal and there is a good electrical contact between the terminal and the wire. It also has a wire cutter located near the handle to cut wire or cable. It is quick, cheap, durable, reliable and does not require any extra material. Next is continuity tester. ठीक है, ये रहेगा हमारा continuity tester. Continuity tester is a device which is used to indicate whether there is a continuous path for current flow in an electric circuit or device. It allows you to test conductors without having a power on. Continuity testers have their own battery and supplied power. The light in a continuity tester comes on when its current is completed by a switch conductor or appliance. It is important to turn off power in any circuit or part before testing it with continuity tester. Do not use continuity tester on energized electric equipments or circuit. It is least complicated of all the other instruments that residential electricians may use. It is used in electrical wiring is extensive. It is used to test continuity in electrical conductor, to test for faulty fuse, to test for malfunctioning of switches, and to identify individual wires in a cable. Next is wire gauge. Insulated aluminum conductors are preferred for continuation of electricity since it may have advantages like a cheap in cost, more tensile strength in comparison to copper conductors. Besides, it has a current limiting capacity as heat flowing through a wire is directly proportional to the square of current. This helps to determine the heat withstand capacity of the insulation. According to the standards, maximum value of current can be safely carried through different sizes and different insulation. If these rules are violated, there is a possibility of insulation damage and can catch fire. Sizes along with the numbers are allocated at circumferences of thin steel sheet. According to the diameter, different numbers are allocated to different slots. It is available in standard size. As the number of standard wire gauge increases, the diameter of wire thereby decreases. It is used to find gauge of winding wires. ठीक है, ये क्या है हमारा standard wire gauge. Next, let's see maintenance. Due to thin sheet, it may get damaged easily, so avoid it getting mixed with other tools. It should be protected from rust and dust. Next is knife. Material क्या है? Culturally steel. Description क्या है इसका? It is an important tool in workers' toolkit. It is made of high-grade steel. Its purpose is to remove insulation from wires. It should be folding knife so that it can be easily kept in workers' pocket. तो ये है folding knife.